Students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the student of class 4B, and our subject is mathematics. So we are in the chapter subtraction. So in the previous video, we already have discussed the exercise 4.1, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 questions. Okay, so now today we'll discuss the exercise 4.1, fourth and fifth questions, and subtraction of 5 and 6 digit numbers with and without borrowing, and the question number 3, that is addition and subtraction together, and fourth topic is exercise 4.2, third, fourth, fifth and sixth questions, right? Let's move to the topic exercise 4.1, that is in the fourth questions. Is page number 54. Page number 54, fourth A question says write in columns and find the difference. So 5702, that is, it is minuend, and subtrahend is 3201. Now difference, find out the difference. 2 minus 1 is 1, 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 2 is 5, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So difference will be 2501. It's very easy. Now I will move to the question number C. Minuend is 3803 and subtrahend is 2135. Now subtract it. Since in this question minuend is less than subtrahend, that is 3 less than 5 in the ones place, so you have to borrow 10 ones from the tens place. So cut down 3 and write down 13 here. So 13 minus 5, it will be 8. Okay, since in the tens place it is 0, so you have to borrow 100, means 10 tens, right? Because 10 tens, but we already have borrowed 1 tens from the 10 tens, so it will be 9, right? And it will be 7 because you already have borrowed 10 tens. So 9 minus 3 is 6, 7 minus 1 is also 6, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So difference will be 1668. Now moving to question number D. Right. Question number D says 2798 and 362. Find the difference. 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, and it is 2. So this is very easy. Now B, E and F, please do it in your copy. By yourself, right? Now I'm moving to question number 5. It says subtract and check your answers. 5A, first you have to subtract. So now 3927. In the ones place, minuend is less than the subtrahend, so you have to borrow 110 from the tens place, so it will be 16 and it will be 4, right? So 16 minus 7, that means 16 minus 7 is, it will be 9, and 4 minus 2, it will be 2. In the hundreds place, is also in the minuend is less than the subtrahend, so you have to borrow 1000, right? 1000 means, so it will be, 18 and cut down, it will be 6. So a 90, 18 minus 9, it will be 9, and 6 minus 3, it will be 3. So answer will be 3929, right? So now you have to check your answer. So you have to add difference with the subtrahend. Add difference to subtrahend, right? So write down 3929 and 3927 and add them. 9 plus 7 is 16, so carry over 1. So 2 plus 2 plus 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 9 plus 9 is 18, carry over 1. So 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So yes, this is our minuend. So our answer is right. So this is checked, right? Another question, that is question number D. 1932 and 7900, 800, not 7000, 789. Now subtract it. In the ones place, minuend is less than subtrahend, so you have to borrow 110, or you can say 10 ones. So it will be 12 and it will be 2. So 12 minus 9 is 3. In the tens place, 2 is less than 8, so you have to borrow 100, right? So cut down and write down 12 and cut down, it will be 8. So 12 minus 8, it will be 4. 8 minus 7, it will be 1, and it will be 1. So answer will be 1143, right? Now you have to check your answer. So add with subtrahend. So 9 plus 3, it will be 12. So write down plus 1 here. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Carry over 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9, and the left one is 1. So it will be, so you will see it is our minuend. So it is checked, right? And the difference is right. Now question number, we have solved question number A and D, right? A and D. And now question number E. It is given 9285 and 7325. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. In this hundreds place, 2 less than 3, so you have to borrow 100 from the 1000 from the 1000 place. So it will be 12 and it will be 8, right? So 12 minus 3 is 9, and 8 minus 7 is 1. So you have to check. So you have to add with, subtrahend with difference. Subtrahend is 7325, add 60. 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 6 is 8, 9 plus 3 is 12, is 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So it is checked and you see it is our minuend. So our answer is right. So question number B, C and F, this is our home task. Please do it in your copy. Right. Now let's move to the subtraction of 5-digit numbers without borrowing. 5-digit numbers. Without borrowing. Right. Suppose I'm taking an example. Please subtract 20,475 from the 42,785. Now you have to start from the ones place. This is our 5-digit numbers. So you have to start from the 1 place. Then 5 minus 5 is 0, 8 minus 7 is 1, 7 minus 4 is 3, 2 minus 0 is 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So our difference will be 22,310. Right. So this is our 5-digit number subtraction of 5-digit numbers without borrowing. Now we will discuss 5-digit numbers with borrowing. Okay, so subtract, let us take an example. Subtract 17,398 from 32,967. So minuend is 32,967 and subtrahend is this. Now subtract this. In the ones place 7 is less than 8, so you have to borrow 110. Right, so it will be 17 and it will be 5. So 17 minus 8 is 9. Here it is 5 also. 5 is less than 9, so you have to borrow 100. 100 means it will be 15, right? And it will be 8. So 15 minus 9, yes, it will be 6, and 8 minus 3, it will be 5. In the 1000 place, 2 is less than 7, that is you have to borrow 1000. So you have to borrow not 1000, that is 110,000, right? So 110,000, so it will be 12, right? So it will be 12 and it will be 2. So 12 minus 7 is 5 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer will be 15,569. That's it. Okay, now we are going to discuss subtraction of 6-digit numbers without borrowing. Right, so suppose I am taking an example. Subtract 5,28,416 from 7,39,986. So you have to write the number column wise. So first of all you have to write the minuend, that is the bigger number. So you have to start from the ones place. 6 minus 6, it will be 0. 8 minus 1 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 2 it will be 1, and 7 minus 5 it will be 2. So it will, difference will be 2,11,570 without borrowing, right? Now we will discuss subtraction of 6 digit numbers with borrowing, right? With borrowing. So let us take an example. Subtract 5,32,731 from 7,81,320. So you have to write the bigger one and the smaller one is 5,32,731. Now subtract it. So 0 is less than 1, so you have to borrow 110. 110 means it will be 10 and it will be 1. So 10 minus 1 it will be 9. Here is 1 and is 3. 1 less than 3, so you have to borrow 100. So 100, so mean it will be, 11, right? So now 11 minus 3 it will be 8, because you have already borrowed 110, 100, so it will be 2. So in this 100 place 2 less than 7, again you have to borrow 1000, so it will be 12. 12 minus 7, so it will be 0. So 12 minus 7, so it will be 5, right? And since 0 is less than 2, so you have to borrow again 10,000, not 1000. So it will be 10 minus 2, so it will be 7. So 10 minus 2 it will be 8, right? And 7 minus 3 it will be 4. 7 minus 5 it will be 2. So answer will be 2,48,589. Okay, this is our subtraction of 6 digit numbers. Same thing will happen for 2 digit numbers, for 3 digit numbers, for 5 digit numbers, for 6 digit numbers, right? Now we are going to discuss addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction together. Solve 4289 minus 3217 plus 1209. That means 4289 minus 3287 17 plus 1209. So you have to do the subtraction first of all. Okay, now write down column wise, right? 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 minus 1 is 7, 2 plus 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 3 it will be 1. Now add 1209. So now add 1209, 1072 and 1209. So 9 plus 2 is 11, so carry 1, so plus 7 plus 1 it will be 8, 2 and it will be 2. So answer will be, so ultimate result will be 2281, right? Another example is solve 789 minus 3216 plus 2818. So you can't subtract from 789 because this number is less than 3216. So first of all you have to do addition. So which number you will add? This number with this number, right? Now first of all you have to do addition. So write column wise. 9 plus 8 is 17, carry 1. So 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 1 it will be 0, that means 10, and carry 1. 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, and carry 1, so it will be 3607. Now subtract. Now subtract 3216 from this number. What sum that you will get? So write down 300 and 3216. Now subtract it. 7 minus 6 is 1. 0 is less than 1, so you have to borrow 110, right? Not 110, 100. So it will be 0, that means 10, and it will be 5. So 100 means 10 tens. So 10 minus 1 it is 9, 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So answer will be 391, right? So we have discussed today question number 4.1, fourth and fifth questions, and subtraction of 5-digit numbers with and without borrowing, and subtraction of 6-digit numbers without borrowing and with borrow, right? And addition and subtraction together. So thank you, and on the next video we will discuss the exercise 4.2, right? Thank you.